Good day, lecturers and fellow students. My name is Giola Kutsia. I am a fourth year education student at the Durbanville campus. The title of my presentation is Humanizing Artificial Intelligence in South African Education, applying Forrestein's mediated learning theory to address learner over-reliance on generative AI. This presentation explores a growing challenge in South African education. Learners becoming overly dependent on generative AI tools such as ChatGPT for academic tasks. While AI offers valuable support, overuse may reduce critical thinking, metacognitive awareness, and learner independence. Using Forrestein's theory of mediated learning experience, I proposed a human centered enrichment program that positions teachers as mediators of AI use rather than allowing AI to dominate learning. The problem of over reliance on generative AI. Key points. Learners increasingly use AI for homework, summaries, essays, and answers to assessment questions. This results that thinking is outsourced, reduced effort in problem solving, and passive learning behaviors develop. The specific challenge I identified is learner dependence on generative AI. Instead of using AI as a supportive tool, many learners using it as a replacement for thinking. This creates passive learners who consume answers rather than actively construct knowledge. Why this is a South African concern. The key points in the social dimension is weak reading culture, low literacy rates, and multilingual learning barriers. The economic dimension is unequal access to devices and internet and digital divide between schools. In the educational dimension, we have overcrowded classrooms, teacher workload, and temptation to use AI shortcuts. In South Africa, this issue is intensified by inequality. Some learners have unlimited access to AI tools, while others have very limited access to technology. At the same time, overcrowded classrooms make it difficult for teachers to monitor authentic learning. This can deepen educational inequality. Research informed implications. According to Fu et al., AI can reduce reflective thinking. Learners may accept answers uncritically, and metacognitive AI literacy is needed. Teacher mediation remains essential. Research shows that AI can automate reasoning processes, but learners still need support in learning how they think critically about AI generated responses. Without mediation, learners become dependent rather than empowered. On slide 5, we have Forrestein's theory of mediated learning. As you can see on the above slide, there are five critical and there are five critical and key principles that Forrestein's theory of mediated learning states. Forrestein believed intelligence is modifiable through intentional mediation. Learning becomes meaningful when a teacher actively shapes how a learner thinks, not simply what they know. AI mediated enrichment program. The name of my program is Think Before You Use AI, or we can state it as Think Before You Ask AI. It is divided into a three-part intervention, namely, teach learners how AI works, mediate AI use, and build reflection habits. My proposed program is called Think Before You Ask AI. Its purpose is not to ban AI, but to teach learners how to engage with it critically and responsibly. Intentional AI questioning. The teacher mediates questions and asks questions like, why did AI give me this answer? What assumptions does it make? Is this information accurate, and how can we improve this answer? Instead of learners simply copying AI answers, teachers mediate discussion around this response. This promotes intentionality and deeper cognitive engagement. The second strategy in my action plan is called the reflection journals. Learners reflect simply on What did AI help me to understand? What did I disagree with? What did I think independently, and how did my thinking change? And this simply leads to mental cognition, self regulation, and cognitive independence. Forrestein emphasizes reflective thinking. Reflection journals helps learners become aware of their own thinking processes rather than relying automatically on AI. My final and last strategy towards my action plan is called teacher led mediation circles. We'll have a class discussion and we'll compare learner answers versus AI answers, debate strengths and weaknesses, identify bias and errors, and apply knowledge to real world contexts. And this links to the Forrestein principle called transcendence. This moves beyond learning beyond simple answer generation. Learners learn how knowledge transfers to new situations, which Forrestein calls transcendence. My final message and conclusion is, and I quote, AI should support thinking, not replace thinking. The final points that I want to make is that the teacher remains the mediator, AI becomes a tool, not a substitute. Critical thinking develops, and South African education stays human centered. Forrestein reminds us that education is fundamentally human. Technology can enhance learning, but meaningful cognitive development still requires intentional mediation, dialogue, reflection, and human connection. Thank you.